All right. Hey there, everybody. I just want to thank you guys for supporting me. And I just want to thank you for listening to my videos. The reason why I'm going through the documentation on the Mozilla Developers Network is because I want to really know a little bit more in depth about HTML. I've been personally going through freecodecamp.org along with Colt Steele's Udemy course, the Web Development Bootcamp. I know that's a little bit more dated now, but and then also like plenty of other resources I've been using to learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. But I just want to like take some time to take like a step back and read the documentation because documentation is a little bit more thorough than a lot of like the courses that I've been through and a lot of the other things. And since I now have like some of the like some understanding of HTML and CSS, I want to just go through the documentation and really even maybe at some point like do short videos on like reference points. And it's kind of the vision that I have for this channel is read documentation for certain like languages and frameworks and be able to just slowly like surely kind of build upon it. So then that way there's understanding of the concepts. So in that way, when I learn something, I can go back and review it and make sure that I actually have it. Even though I know a lot of stuff is just going to have to be, you're going to have to like Google it, look it up on a forum, things like that. But the concepts, the fundamental concepts of a lot of these languages that I've noticed, like JavaScript and Python, a lot of the fundamentals overlapped with each other. And about let's see, December 2018 is when I really started to. I was using an app called SoloLearn and learned some of the basic Python, and then I was like, I don't know what I really want to do in programming. So then, after thinking about it, I was like, you know what? How would I get into front end web development? Because I love the internet, and I've always enjoyed. Even back when I was in high school, like 2006, 8, 2004 to 2008. I remember back in those MySpace days when I don't kind of date myself here a bit, but back when MySpace was a thing, you could use HTML to edit, your messages and use HTML to edit your your page, your profile page. So that's kind of why I've had a little bit of familiarity with HTML, but I never really like dove into it like I am now. And for the past year, I went through the Responsive Web Design Certificate on Free Code Camp. I am currently working through Colt Steele's Bootcamp. That's been very insightful. I'm actually just going through JavaScript right now, both on Free Code Camp and I also got another Udemy course on JavaScript as well. I'm excited to do that, actually, along with getting better at HTML and CSS. Eventually, I do want to have a career change from sales, which is what I've been doing for the past like 5 years. And I really just want to get into a situation where not only am I making a little bit more money, but also it's steady money compared to sales. And really just have more security based upon skill set. So that's kind of why I want to make this short little video. Nothing too crazy. So here's the vision that I have for this channel. I'm going to be uploading weekly on Sundays, or at least making the videos on Sundays and having them come out early in the week. Monday, like Sunday or Monday. These are the 2 days that I'm probably going to be uploading. Mostly Sunday. This is my decision. I don't have a set schedule yet, so I got to kind of work that out. But I expect them every Sunday. I'll probably publish like several videos, depending on what type of time that I have available to me to create these videos. And then I want to work through the basic HTML on the Mozilla Developers Network, and then go through the basic CSS. Because I really want to have the basic stuff down for a lot of people. I know that's very important for those that are new that are learning. For me, I just like when I was starting to go through tutorials and stuff, was like, what does this mean? And the documentation is so much, like, it explains everything. It answers all those questions that you have, and that's the reason why I wanted to. That's the reason why about like a month ago, it's like, I've seen a lot of like these developer channels, and I don't know. Whispering isn't always my tingling trigger for ASMR, but like typing is. But for right now, I don't, I just got this Chromebook here, and I just want to make something. I just want to make something simple, so then that way, like when I'm on the bus or going to work or whatever, I'm just kind of chilling out, and just need some background noise. Um, then I can, or if I want to relax, like before I fall asleep, then I can listen to these videos, even though it's a little bit awkward listening to yourself. But mostly, even for others, just kind of going and just reviewing the concepts and reviewing some of the basics over and over again. Because sometimes it takes a little while to click. Sometimes it takes like some time for some things to click, and then like, oh, okay, like that makes sense, and then you're able to move on to something else. So hopefully, if you're interested in learning web development and just want to, and obviously you can read on that. It's all free. There's no, it's documentation, so it's a little bit boring, granted, but it makes a great material for ASMR, I think. So without further ado, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Um, my first goal is to get to 1,000 subscribers, then I'll do something special. 1,000 subs, and then kind of go from there. So please hit a like, subscribe, comment below, or actually, you know what? Put down in the comments what documentation you want me to read, and I can put it on the list for web development languages or frameworks, documentation that you want read. So again, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Please hit that like button, and comment below a language or a framework that you want whispered, the whole entire documentation read in a whisper, soft spoken um, voice. So, peace.